if you're considering getting married, you're going to want to look into getting a prenuptial agreement. In Alabama, both prenuptial and postnuptial agreements are enforceable, and a court is bound to follow them so long as the conditions of the contract have been met. So a prenuptial agreement is before marriage. Typically, people enter into that to say, if it's in my name, it's mine. If it's in your name, it's yours. If we intend for it to be joint property, then we're going to put it in both names and it will be divided. People also enter into prenuptial agreements to avoid the risk of having to pay alimony. They are absolutely enforceable. You have to meet certain conditions when you enter into them. But what the law says is that it is enough consideration, which means it's enough value exchanged that you're getting married. So the marriage, you can basically say, if you don't sign this prenup, I'm not going to marry you, and that's a binding contract. A postnuptial agreement is a little different. It means you're already married, and after your marriage, you want to define your own property rights and dictate what will happen in the event that you get divorced. As you can imagine, that normally occurs if one spouse has done something to upset the other spouse, and the postnuptial agreement is therefore a condition to stay married. Other than the timing of it, there's not much difference in a postnuptial agreement. It defines the property rights and the support rights as to what will happen if you get divorced, and it also defines what will happen if one spouse dies, in that you are not obligated to take from that spouse's estate as you would be if they died without a will and you did not have a prenup or a postnup.